Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes and today's featured walk around video is this Ford KA Plus. Finished in deep impact blue, absolutely stunning cars, just delivering mileage. It's got the city pack, so we've got rear parking sensors to aid you in all your rear parking needs, which basically gives you an audible beep and an image of where the actual obstruction is. Privacy glass, again filtering harmful rays out of the interior, and of course aiding in keeping everything cooler in summer. Isofix child seat anchor points in the back. If you're thinking of buying, or you do have an Isofix seat, they just simply slide in and click into place just like a seat belt would, and of course it's bolted to the chassis, the seat is, so there's no flexibility, and it's much safer system than just wrapping a seat belt around a child seat. Lumbar support there, and armrest, auto stop start control and traction control settings, 5-speed gearbox, phenomenal 47.8 miles to the gallon, 12-volt power supply, USB connectivity, there's 2 of those, heated seats, air conditioning, audio including DAB radio, Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming, and you can even stream your favourite applications like Napster, Spotify, Apple Music, etc. Others are available. Trip computer, volume control for both Bluetooth and your audio, and again controls for both your Bluetooth and audio. Enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features on that screen just using your voice. On the right hand side we've got speed limiter and cruise control, power to all 4 windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, and they do fold away as well. So all in all, absolutely fantastic car and a fantastic opportunity and a massive saving off retail brand new price. Safety checked and prepared by our Ford trained technicians, second to none aftercare service and award-winning customer service for your complete peace of mind from us all at Perrys. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye for now.